Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video of Pokemon Go. And today we're actually going to be doing my route I made here, the Golden Lure route, because, you know, why not? And also we're going to be using my daily Incense, trying to get a legendary bird, because there is a guaranteed catch trick you can do, which I'm not sure if they took it out of the game or not, but I want to attempt it on this. I have tried it on other Pokemon and it has worked. And yeah. So basically you need a Nana Berry to keep it still, and you gotta get that excellent circle as small as possible while hitting an excellent. And I feel like if we get a Zapdos, that should be possible. And if I stop talking, it's because I'm around people and I just feel weird about talking. But yeah, so hopefully we get one today. Really hoping for it. I got Typhlosion, I'm walking. Oh, kitty cat. And boom, great throw. Oh, there's a dog running around. Great. Okay. There's this. Level. Another meow. Come on. I'm never gonna get a bird. Disposal. Got an oddish. Boom. Oh, man. There's like a lot of people around. It's hard to talk on the phone. I'm like, you know, I got people around. What? 12K. Oh, another one. Cool. Yuck. Oh, an Axew. And Pineapple. Save you for trades. Oh, this is a Routes. Damn. Okay. I hate that circle like keeps turning orange. It pisses me off. Okay, another one of these guys. I see these quite often. That was not a good throw. So yesterday I tried making a video of my Meltan box, but it was just too long of a video. Which kind of stunk, but you know. I was gonna do 2 Gimme Ghoul ones today, but why? Still trying to get the hundo for Meltan and Gimme Ghoul. Ooh. Galarian Slowpoke. Alright. Like this route I'm doing right now is like always bugged. Oh, I need this. Because I actually sent a referral to my dad's account, and he has to evolve 100 things for one of the tasks. So, just do this. Trading things that have no cost. Six minutes left, damn it. Never gonna get anything good. I think the only like bird I'm missing right now, like of the Galarian forms, is the Articuno. I still need the other two. If only they pop up. Got 5 minutes left, no. But no, while I was walking on the other side of the pond over there, there was like this big bug on the floor. I've never seen one of those before. Alright, you're good hopping? You are not. Disposal. But no, this route is bugged out because the previous time I did it, which I think was yesterday. Oh no, maybe the day before actually. I walked around. You have to do like 4 or 5 loops. Got Mateo, had no cell. I walked again, and then I found the cell, which was weird. Alright. Not good. No, I'm actually with my cells right now. I only did one route yesterday that I got one from. So I have 45. Got a Mankey. I'll save that for trades. Boom. Come on, bud. Get in the ball. Seriously? You scallywag. Did not catch it. And there is a bit of here I'm going to grab because why not? And this because 625 Stardust and a Scyther, which I do want. I need more candy. Oh, Mateo. Ooh. Actually need this. Are you good? Nope. Don't want to exchange with Mateo just yet. Maybe just do it real quickly. Because I think technically with Mateo you can open 51 gifts every day. Well, you bought the ticket. This is from Japan. Cool. Alright, we got a Spoink. Hopefully we get one more spawn. If not, I'm going to be upset. Ugh. Okay, we could probably get another one, if I'm being honest. Damn terrible. Come on, please give me a bird. Of course, the net catches. Goodness gracious. We do have a Bidoof. That's probably the last one we're getting, sadly. Not good at all either. Oh, man. No, but I do think if I walk around again, I should be able to get a cell, for what I think, because we did just have Mateo. And we caught 23 Pokemon. Not bad. Any 4 stars? No. Let's get rid of you. Get rid of everything I don't want XL candy for. Alright, I think that's fine for now. Should be our final loop, and then I'll end off the video. You know what, actually I'm going to watch back the video and see how many times we went around, because I am kind of curious. I think this route is bugged only because of how it is. So, yeah, we're almost there. Your travel distance 1.1 out of 1.5. Alright. Okay, yeah, it should be the final route loop. Boom. Let me stop for a sec. Disposal. Do I still need another? Oh my gosh, wait. 0.3. Might have to go around again. This route is such a pain. That's why I used to go on lure route. Oh, a cell. We got one. Yeah, I don't understand. Mateo pops up, then the cell pops up. Guess we gotta go around again to complete it. Oh, no, wait. Oh, never mind. Oh, God. So irritating. Did the Incense. But if you guys like this video, please drop a like, subscribe. I will see you guys later, and goodbye.